Introducing Singapore's #1 PSLE Math problem solver. Solve this ratio question using the heuristic concept, grouping method. Ready to dive into the question and discover how Singapore's #1 problem solver unlocks it? Let's go. Before we solve it, let's break down the question together. At a school bookshop, erasers are only sold in packs of 4, and pencils are only sold in packs of 5. Mr. Lim spent $139.45 buying some erasers and pencils for Children's Day. He put all the erasers and pencils into bags. The ratio of the number of erasers to the number of pencils in each bag was 2 to 3. How many pencils did he buy? Keep watching, we're going to solve this problem. Hey, if this video was a lifesaver for you, why not hit that subscribe button? Your likes and shares keep us super motivated to produce more awesome content to help students conquer their PSLE. Let's go and solve it. The problem states that the ratio of erasers to pencils in each bag is 2 to 3. We need to figure out how many packs of erasers and pencils are needed to form this ratio. To maintain a ratio of 2 erasers to 3 pencils, we need to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, of the per pack quantities, 4 erasers, and the ratio numbers, 2 erasers and 3 pencils. Let's find the smallest number of packs that satisfies the 2 to 3 ratio. We need to find the number of erasers that is a multiple of both 2 and 4, and the number of pencils that is a multiple of both 3 and 5.
So, for a ratio of 2 to 3, the smallest group we can work with that uses whole packs is erasers, 2 units equals 4 erasers, 1 pack. Pencils, 3 units equals 15 pencils, 3 packs of 5.
This gives us a group where the ratio is 4 erasers to 15 pencils. This does not satisfy the given ratio of 2 to 3. Let's restart the group calculation based on the ratio. So the smallest group size that satisfies all conditions is when the number of erasers is 20, multiple of 4, and the number of pencils is 30, multiple of 5. This group has 20 erasers and 30 pencils, which is a 2 to 3 ratio, and uses whole packs. This satisfies the 2 to 3 ratio. Calculate the cost of one group. Cost of erasers. 20 erasers divide 4 erasers per pack equals to 5 packs. 5 packs times $1.99 per pack equals $9.95. Cost of pencils. 30 pencils divide 5 pencils per pack equals to 6 packs. 6 packs times $2.99 per pack equals $17.94. Total cost of one group equals $9.95 plus $17.94 equals $27.89. Find the number of groups. Total money spent equals $139.45. Number of groups equals total money spent divided by cost of one group. Number of groups equals $139.45 divided by $27.89 equals 5. This means Mr. Lim bought a total of 5 of these groups. Calculate the total number of pencils. Each group has 30 pencils. Total number of pencils equals number of groups times pencils per group. Total number of pencils equals 5 times 30, which equals 150 pencils. Answer: Mr. Lim bought 150 pencils. Do you want to know the secret? Check the caption. Thank you for tuning in. Share your thoughts.